Hi everyone, we are starting our exercise 2.3, which is on simplifying expressions. When we talk about simplifying expressions, it means that we want to write the expression shorter and cleaner, because the aim is to rewrite the expression with fewest terms possible. Let's say if we are having an expression like 3x plus 5x minus 2 plus 4. So this expression, it can be simplified. By simplification, we follow two main rules. We add or subtract only terms that are alike, or we add and subtract the like terms, and we never combine the unlike terms. Now in here, 3x and 5x are the like terms. Minus 2 and plus 4, these are the like terms. Now 3x is different than minus 2 because these are not like terms. So their operation, when we perform the operation, it will be performed within the like terms. So 3x plus 5x, it would become 8x. Minus 2 plus 4, it would become plus 2. So you see, this whole term we were able to write it more neat and more cleaner and shorter when we simplified it. So the two rules that we follow. Now, trying to understand about the like terms, there are certain characteristics of the like term that we have to consider when we perform the different operations on them. In order to understand that, we have to solve our very first question, which is on identifying the like terms in each set. So the like terms are the terms that have exactly the same variable part. Variable part is the same. So what do we mean by that? It means that same letter and it has same power. So what do we mean by that? In here, as you can see in the very first set, we have 6x minus 2y, 4x and x. So same letters, if we look for the like terms, same letter, this one has the same letter, this and this. For x, if we consider the variable x, 6x, 4x and x, they have the same letter. If we look into the power, 6 raised to the power of 1, x raised to the power of 1 and x raised to the power of, in 4x the power is 1, in x also the power is 1. So these are the like terms. We look into the variable part, we don't look into the coefficient, that is the number next to the written next to the variable. In here it is 6, in here it is 4, and in here there is no number, it means there is 1. So 6x, 4x and x, these are the like terms in the first set. We look into the second set. Again, we have two variables, x and y. We take a start with x, so there is 1x and there is no other. So we do not have like terms similar to that of the variable x. We go to the next one, that is, we have minus 3y, 3 over 4y and minus 5y. So again, when we are deciding or picking the like terms, we do not look into the coefficient, we look into the variable part. And in the variable, we see it is the same letter. As we can see in here, we have y, y and y. Then we look into the power of it, y raised to the power of 1, y raised to the power of 1 and y raised to the power of 1. So it means that this one and this one, these are the like terms, because the variable part has same letter and same power. So therefore the answer for the second set is minus 3y, 3 over 4y, and minus 5y. For the third set, we have AB, 4b, minus 4ba, and 6a. So if we take a start, the first term is AB, so we look for it. If other terms we have of the same variable part, in here it is 4b, a is missing, so it is not, we cannot put it in the same category or like terms as AB. Then we move to the third one, it is minus 4ba. In here, as you can see, the order doesn't matter if it's xy or yx, as long as it is same letters with same power, the order doesn't matter. Therefore we can categorize this in the same category of AB. We can say that AB and minus 4ba are the like terms. So in here, 4b and 6a are not like terms because their variable are completely different. So the like terms are AB and minus 4ba, as you can see in here. Then we go to the fourth part. We have 2, a constant, minus 2x, 3xy, 3x, and minus 2y. So in here we see that there are different terms, and each term is probably different. For example, this is a constant, it doesn't have any variable. This one has variable x, this has variable x and y, this one has variable y. So they are all different. Only minus 2x and 3x are like terms because they have the same variable and their variable has the same power. Therefore minus 2x and 3x in this given set are like terms. Then in the fifth part, in the fifth set of terms, we have 5a, 6a. We look into, take a start with the first term, so it is a. We see if we have any other term that has the same variable with same power. As we can see, it is not, so it is 6a. Then 5 is a constant. Then we look into if there is any other variable, same variable with same power. So in here, as you can see, 5ab and ab, the variables are the same and the power of variables are the same. A raised to the power of 1, b raised to the power of 1. In here the same, a raised to the power of 1, b raised to the power of 1. And a and 5a and 6a also, you can see that a is raised to the power of 1. So we have 2 like terms in this set, which is 5a and 6a, and 5ab and ab. And in the last one we have minus 1xy, minus yx, minus 2y, 3, and 3x. So taking a start with the xy, again in here the order is changed, but the variables and their powers are same, so therefore we can say that minus 1xy and minus xy are the same terms, or not same terms but like terms. Minus 2y, there isn't any other variable like this, any other term with the same variable in the rest of the terms in the set. 3 is a constant, this is another term with different variables. So we can deduce that in this given set of terms we have these 2 terms, like terms. So we can say that when we are identifying the like terms, we look into the variable part and we see if we have the same letter representing that variable and also the same power. The order of the variable, if it is changed, that doesn't matter. As long as the letter and power is the same, we can categorize them as like terms. That's all for this question. Happy learning!